From Argus Media, this is Fuels Focus, a recap of stories within the U.S. refined products marketplace from the week that was May 12th through the 16th, 2025. June NYMEX WTI ended the week near $61 a barrel as the U.S. signaled it's closer to a deal with Iran that could lead to sanctions relief, and as the IEA upped its 2025 global supply forecast by nearly 400,000 barrels a day. U.S. diesel inventories fell to a 10-year low in the week ending May 9th. That's according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. Domestic diesel stocks settling in at 94 million barrels. That's the lowest mark since the last week of November 2014. Other news, Marathon Petroleum is seeking to upgrade and expand its Garyville refinery in Louisiana. The upgrades may cause an increase in crude oil processing at the refinery, and the company's also filed a related air quality impact assessment to the state. The project will help the refinery reduce reliance on purchased intermediate feedstocks and improve downstream yields through various modifications. Marathon's planning to start project construction in the second quarter of next year and begin operations in the fourth quarter of 2027. And Phillips 66 has agreed to sell a majority interest in its retail stores in Germany and Austria, as an activist investor who recommended the divestment seeks 4 board seats. The company said Thursday it will sell a 65% interest in its Germany and Austria retail marketing business, including jet-branded filling stations, to a consortium owned by investment firms Energy Equation Partners and Stonepeak. Phillips 66 said it will use the money to support debt reduction and shareholder returns. The transaction is expected to close in the second half of this year, subject to regulatory approvals. And that's all for this edition of Fuels Focus, a production of Argus Media, a leading independent provider of commodity pricing and market information. For more on these stories and others, along with the latest pricing in the marketplace, make sure to subscribe to the daily Argus Media U.S. Products Report.